in this video speaks louder. Okay, we are going to have a detail-based video on how to become a successful entrepreneur. See, every entrepreneur will not be a successful. Each entrepreneur has some negative points and positive points. Okay, not all become success. Some cases I have seen, in that cases they have tried a lot. Okay, they have tried a lot, but what happens at the final stage, they have failed. Okay, but in this video we are going to discuss about how to become successful entrepreneur. What are the steps using these steps? Okay, so as we all know that 5 steps is very very important in DD based like empathy, define, ID, prototype. So each one will define one. Okay, start with introduction.
Sir, first of all, entrepreneurs, all entrepreneurs not succeed, sir. Because entrepreneurs first start as a businessman. The businessmen first target on the people, first target on the profit. Afterwards, only they target on the people, what they really need. But successful entrepreneurs first target only the people, what they really need in the real time. So, in based of the design thinking problem, the design thinking based approach, they have 5 pillars: empathy, define, idea, prototype, and testing. They first entrepreneurs want to they approach the idea in the empathize process, and then to define what they really need the people, and then want to give a pathway or flowchart for the pathways and the idea, how to go in a flow of way, and then want to test really the idea will be approachable and it will be successful. This is the entrepreneur's way to approach in a design process.
Very good. Class he says one point is very importantly that not to understand the profit but to understand the people. They understand. Every entrepreneur will check whether my business will run or not, my business will be right or not. But you should think about the people's aspect. People understand whether this aspect is applicable to them or not. Okay. So let's deal with one process here. Now empathize.
For empathize, every successful idea, we want to understand with the peoples. Then, before building a solution, we want to gather some problems from people. Then talk to user what's their struggles with their opinion. Then also true entrepreneur don't assume they also.
Yes, we should talk to the customers first. There should be interaction between the customers. Talk eco-friendly, user-friendly, so that you can understand what the problems are. Okay, define.
So I am going to define. So in the define part, as my friend said, the opinions selected among the people, among the opinions, we have selected the major of the ideas of the people. So in that opinion, most of the people has indicated some problem exactly the same. Right? So according to that, the define is made. Like example, a student notices a crowd of people are waiting for the doctor. In that, hospitals should engage some systematical operations like waiting or distract the patients to enough time for the patient management. That's all.
Yes, so you have noticed one point in the clinics, you have waited for a long time. There is no proper guidance is there. Okay, that's the defined. Next, idea.
Idea different types of different types of areas. People are aware of application.
How to apply this using mobile phone apps?
Networks, application platforms,
Online services. Okay. Next, please.
Under the empathy
Prototype.
under the prototype, in the entrepreneur mindset, we can see in the case my friend said about the patients are waiting to see the doctor. So we can collect the data from the patients to fill out the Google forms so that we can arrange the time slots for the particular patients so that they can easily reach the doctor when they are
when the prototype is ready to run, we can scan some QR codes so that we can able to what happens. We can get some result draw. Okay. Next. Yes.
So as per the so this is the last one, sir. So according to define, they have been explained what is the process going on. For example, they have said the wait call is there is a number of people are waiting at outside and they couldn't resist. In bunch of people can't stay in one room.
Yeah.
So that is a define, right? And next is idea. So for that, we have given some ideas that we can run some videos from mobiles, right? And from protectors. Using protect is we have said that we can run some QR codes. From that we can fetch some data. So this from this data, if it is executed successfully, okay, it's fine. Otherwise, you have to reach it again. That is a testing point.
Very good. So as per the five in that base is strict, applicable.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. So before concluding, I want to ask one question to each and everybody. You should answer that. Suppose now you are in 4 years. Only 1 year is left to come. So you might have some dreams of how to become some successful businessman. So what is the thing you would like to become, and how you will become successful?
Recently, I started a shop shop. So I started in beginning. I was very struggled for the searching a dealer and to be a manufacturer for the right product to deliver to the people. Then I started recently so that I can't reach many people, particularly my surrounding circles only I can be able to reach. But I can't find the online purchase people or any unknown persons to be purchased from me. So I collaborate with my friends who are influenced in the Instagram, social media, etc. So and then I suggested more people by knowing, and then they suggested to the other persons who really know. So they saw my post and then saw my product quality, and then they brought from me. Now the problem I have identified here is connections and then the new products available in the market that they didn't aware of. And then also we want to give our product how they want to visit us. We want to first promote us, then we want to reach our product release. So there isn't promotions or any advertising to do the first basic need in that. So
Very good, excellent.
and then we want to give the best quality. Best quality at the best price. So in the search of that, I identified also a problem in the manufacturing unit because we want to produce a original amount, the cost will be ready. We produce single it will be cost will be much. So the people will be supposed to the product and then second, we want to reach the people. So these are the problems I identified in this. So I will educate in the future times and then we can
Yes, that is his own experience as a starting business. Okay. So consume time that all not business, anyone again. So what is the right thing you say? Suppose you want to start a business or started a business or how
I
you
have an
do
idea,
it?
sir.
Yeah.
Let's close business. In waste foods, there are some other shops like fruits or vegetables or taken over small business there. In waste foods, there are some other small shops like chickpeas. So I have planned to plant a new shop like straws business. Many of the persons are mindset was protein will get from protein powder or like a egg, but more proteins in sprouts only, sir.
Oh, so
This is the main idea.
So you want to become successful, what you do?
It's like a part-time or life-time.
Very good. So as a conclusion, I want to appreciate you all that you have given your own opinions about all these things. Very good. So in the how to become successful in the sense, mainly understand the people's feelings, their needs, not their profits. Any business you start, you don't focus on your own attention. I will become like that. No. You first you appoint some persons for your business, then you have a meeting, find out what is the problem, okay, and solution, what we can, how to solve the solution. So like all this, if you do, you get some idea. Using that ideas, you test it. Not only leaving that, you test it. Whether this is applicable or not. If it is not applicable, you should go to the next one. Okay, so that your life